Hello, Karen.
Hi,
Very nice of you to be with us today. Thank you for being here.
thank you for making the time to talk with me.
Absolutely. And as you know, we're opening up enrollment into the association again, and we like to talk to other associates who've transitioned successfully into industry careers, such as yourself. So again, thank you. And yeah,
No, thank you a lot because has been a really great experience for me, like having Cheeky Scientist Association in
perfect.
all this process.
Thank you. And maybe you can just start by introducing yourself and the industry position you transitioned into.
Okay, so my name is Karen Perez de Arce. I'm a postdoc right now, transitioning to a scientist position at Broad Institute.
Oh,
Um,
great.
yeah.
Perfect. And so you've transitioned now, successful, but as you mentioned, you were in a postdoc for 7 years. You were having some challenges in your job search. What kind of challenges were you facing before joining the association?
Uh, well, uh, I have I will say it's different things. First, it was more like how to tailor my talk in the way that is relevant for the place where I'm interviewing. Because it's not the same giving a talk about your research in an academic context instead of like an industry setting. It has to be relevant, and you have to go one to one with the requirement they have in the job post. And Cheeky scientists help me to like learn how to do that in the way that I was more effective. And also Cheeky was really great with all the material in the interview process because um, I told you, for me, I found really challenging the interview. I didn't know how to put myself in the position to be like confident and like being very assertive too. So knowing the questions that I could get and how to answer that was really, really helpful. Um, and it also was helpful because I could handle how to do the negotiation. I had two offers, and uh, asking in the Facebook group, it was really, really nice. And I feel like so much better when I decide what to do. Uh, yeah. And finally, learning from the experience of other people, what they were going through and all the frustration, feeling that I'm not alone in this process that can
Yes.
be really painful sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, and that was my last question was the private group. I mean, what did the private group mean to you? How did it help you specifically?
Uh, like help me like learning and reading about the people that was going through the interview process, and also because I have the chance to watch one of the videos from a former coworker that he was postdoc also in my lab, and see how well he was doing and how happy he was doing. So I contact him, and then he gave me a really great feedback about Cheeky Association, and then I say, okay, let's do it, and then it was really great. Yeah.
That's perfect. Well, thank you very much for sharing this with us, Karen, and we wish you continued success in your career.
Thank you very much, and thank you to you and all your team. Really, you are doing a really great job.